guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a rich, luxurious chocolate cake recipe that I learned from my sister Zahra. It's simple, foolproof, and delicious. I'll show you how to make it.
To start off, I'm going to grease 2 cake pans with oil and dust it with cocoa powder. Now to prepare the cake batter, we're going to mix in all the ingredients in the same bowl. I'm sifting in some sugar, cocoa powder, flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Once that's mixed in, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients straight into the bowl. I've got 2 eggs, milk, vanilla, and vegetable oil. Mix it together with a whisk just until it's combined, and then we're going to add in some hot water very carefully. Continue whisking it until it's well combined. It will have a very thin consistency like this. Now place the cakes in the oven and bake for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to prep the frosting. I'm going to combine butter and cocoa powder first, then alternating between icing sugar and milk. Mix them together until you have a desired consistency. Finally add the vanilla, and it should look something like this. To assemble the cakes, I'm going to first add one of the cake layers, followed by some icing. Going to add the second cake layer, put the rest of the icing. I'm going to add a little bit of texture with my spatula. And now the fun part, decorating with the fruits. You can use whatever fruits you like. I love having this chocolate cake with berries because the tartness of the berries really balances the sweetness of the chocolate cake.